Melitta 36 ounces. Pour-over coffee brewer with Porcelain Carafe, white. Quick and easy handcrafted brewing, this 36 ounces pour-over coffee maker with carafe is the perfect way to make a great pot of gourmet coffee. Includes a carafe, brewing cone, lid, and scoop, plus a startup supply of Melitta No. 4 cone filters. The heavy-duty porcelain filter cone is top-rack dishwasher safe. Smart, convenient design, this pour-over's design allows optimal coffee flavor brewing and extraction. The best way to brew, aficionados agree that pour-over brewing makes the best coffee. Just place a paper filter in the pour-over, scoop in your favorite coffee, pour hot water over the grounds and enjoy. Pour your own coffee, your perfect cup of coffee awaits right at home when you brew with our pour-over coffee sets, porcelain pour-overs, pour-over cones, mugs and kits. Join the pursuit. Melitta is dedicated to providing the ultimate coffee experience with our premium coffee filters, coffee pods, carafes, pour-over brewers, coffee makers, and coffees. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.